Oh, yo, what's on YouTube? This is a Do Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. What we got right here? We got a VGR V092. So, it's another one. Yes, it's another one. So, let's do the unboxing. Premium guards, the two normal guards, charging cable, little brush, the usual manual. So yes. The color is really different from all other gold clipper or trimmer that I've been buying. It's somehow beautiful. Yes. Doesn't have USB Type-C, and it does have a space inside, so it won't get hot very quickly, and this is really good. And it got a click lever. I guess it's 4. 1. It's already on 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's 4. The lever is not bad. It's not bad. See, it's now there is a space in between. Between here is the space here. I will open it later for you to see. The hair can go through and out, so that the heat will be coming out from here, so it won't get hot very quickly. I like that. It's a good idea, You hear that? It's not robust like Kemi 1986. I like 1986, but it was too robust for me. I never liked that. I have a big hand, okay, but still sling like this or like this, You see, the gold is really different. It's not really like a real gold. I don't know if maybe here is metal or not, but I guess here is metal. It's not bad, right? one thing I realize about somehow the blade of this one, not the cutting blade, but the top blade, this blade, somehow similar to this. You see? Somehow similar. You see what I'm talking about? Here. So there is an opening here. See, you can see it. That's what I'm talking about. I think so. It is, but it's really thin metal. Do you think this is metal? I don't know. I need to remove everything before I will know if it's metal or not, but I don't really have that time, you know. So that's it, guys, for the unboxing. Peace. You know, my dream clipper is Gamma Ego or Keep Diavolo. I don't know if maybe you guys know Keep Diavolo. It's also Italian, but it got the same shape like Gamma Ego. You know, everything the same, just the name is different. It's not a replica, but Keep Diavolo. That's my dream. Should be my favorite clipper. Okay, peace out, man.